This is the leaf of a creeper plant. Whoa, who would have rolled this leaf like this? Would it be this red beetle? Look at him standing on the roll. As observed here, these beetles are vegetarians and therefore consume the plant parts. This beetle in particular uses its unique mouth parts to scrape off the small pieces of leaf from its surface. One may ask that the leaf may die because of this process. However, the beetle is wise enough to scratch only the surface of the leaf that does not have chlorophyll, thereby letting the leaf live as well as filling its stomach. Hey, look at this fellow. Isn't he carving the shape of a heart? He must be in love and looking for a mate. Looks like he has found a mate for himself. After mating, they do a ballet dance by lifting their legs in tandem as though they are listening to a music with a nice background rhythm. Now it's time for egg laying in safe places. Daddy wants to make bed for his babies. He chooses the right leaf and cuts a shape near the base. Once the slit leaf is ready, he uses his saliva and does something on the underneath of the leaf. He makes good use of his long neck in order to reach out to the leaf and also his saliva to ensure that the leaf is rolled so tight and so well that no wind nor rain would be able to undo the roll. The eggs are safe in the coils where the young ones grow within. This is why these little red bright creatures are called as leaf roller weevil or leaf roller beetle. The leaf may be 20 to 30 times larger than his actual body's length. But this daddy will not give up for anything. The most important thing in his life is to make a nice sweet bed which is also warm for his babies, especially when they are inside the eggs and waiting to come into this huge world. Observe the length of the leaf shrinking as this fellow uses his muscular looking legs to make the roll tighter and tighter and the leaf shorter and shorter. As time passes, the roll tightens as well as keeps increasing in terms of girth because the length of the leaf shortens. Even though this fellow is just about 5% or 10% of the leaf's length, he uses the right strategy to roll the leaf and make sure that there is a nice cozy bed for his kids. This is one great instance of altruism between plants and insects, especially the insects like these which totally depends on plants for their existence, right from taking care of their eggs, taking care of their little ones, as well as feeding their stomachs. Once the babies emerge, they appear just like their parents, but they are slightly maroon in color as compared to the red adults, and they lack wings, so they cannot fly. But who cares about flying when your parents have taken good care of you to make sure you are born wrapped with your food?